What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Definitely diverse here. This is going to be a quick short video for you guys. Pardon the mess. We've got quite a mess because we have done quite a lot to get this 2013 Volkswagen Jetta up and going. Got the new motor in, and as is tradition for anybody who is in this industry, they know we're going to go ahead and fire it up with no exhaust hooked up. As you can see, odometer shows 203,000 miles. The new motor actually only has 25,000 miles. But I won't hold you up any longer. Let's hear it go. That's a good sounding car. There she is. All right, guys, you enjoy your weekend.